Hey kids! Today we will learn amazing emergency vehicles. These are real-life heroes that help people in emergencies. Let's get started. Fire truck, it helps put out fires and rescue people in danger. Ambulance is a special vehicle that helps sick or injured people. It quickly takes them to the hospital in emergencies. It has medical equipment and doctors to save lives. Police car is a special vehicle used by police officers. It helps keep people safe and catch criminals. It has sirens and lights to respond quickly in emergencies. Rescue helicopter is used to help people in emergencies from the sky. It can reach difficult places like mountains and oceans quickly. It helps save lives and transport injured people safely. Thanks for watching Rise and Shine kids. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.